Test natin ASG TS2. So licensed product. Shoutout kay Boss Elmer. Ayan, so naka fixed barrel na, flared magwell, single action competition pistol, naka fiber optic sights front, and adjustable yung rear sight. So naka adjustable blade trigger na rin siya. So metal yung unit. And then kasama dun sa box, bukod dun sa magazine, is itong BBs. So test natin guys. Corona check. 339, 323. For more details, PM kayo guys sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop or Mavs Airsoft. Thank you.